Hello and welcome back to Champion Crafts. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to crochet the half double crochet. The half double crochet is like the double crochet, but there is one key difference. You'll need some yarn. Brighter color yarn is easier to see the individual stitches. Crochet hook, I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook. Some scissors, and a tapestry needle to weave in the ends. With that said, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to begin by making a slip knot. To make the slip knot, you're going to make a loop, and then with your little tail, you're going to put it in the back of that slip knot, and then that yarn, that little tail, you're going to pull. And it'll create a slip knot. Again, make a loop, go to the back, and grab the yarn. Then put that little slip knot onto your loop and begin crocheting by grabbing the yarn and pulling through and chaining. So I'm going to do 10. Now, see this stitch right here? We're not going to count that one, so you're going to do 2 more, so right here. We're not going to count that one, so 1, 2. Now we're going to wrap the yarn around and then go through that little loop right there. And we're grabbing the yarn and we're going through all 3 of them. Not like 2 and double crochet, all 3 of them. I'm going to wrap the yarn around, go through, and go through all 3 of them. Go into that next loop. You're going to continue doing that all the way down. So go through, and go through all 3 of them. So the last loop, and go through it, and then go through all 3 of them. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to flip your whole entire piece around, and then you're going to wrap the yarn around, and then see the V's right here? You're going to go through both of them. You're going to grab both of the V's. Now you have 3 in your hook. You're going to go through both of them. And then let's go to the next V. We're going to grab it, wrap the yarn around, and go through both of the V's, not one of them, and then go through all 3 of them. We're just continuing to do that until we've finished the desired length that we want. So now you're going to chain 1, and you're going to take your scissors and cut the yarn. You're going to pull through, and then you're going to take your end and you're going to thread it onto your tapestry needle. And you're basically going to hide it into your work. We did a good enough job of doing the ends. You're just going to cut them. And make sure to hide this one too. There you have it. Now you know how to do the half double crochet stitch. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below for any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.